Okay guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install Corel S7. So if you are using Windows 10, then all you have to do is just to double click. The link to download this Corel S7 and the crack is on the description or on the comment section. But if you are using Windows 7, you have to extract the file using a zip file. You have to extract the file using a zip file. So since we are using a Windows 10, we are going to click on it. But before we start anything, we have to disable your antivirus or Windows Defender depending on the one you are using. So we have to disable it so that we can be able to. So let's double click to launch, then let's press Windows I to open our Windows Defender. I'm using Windows Defender. If you are using antivirus, then you might need to disable your antivirus or pause your antivirus. So open your setting, go to update and security. Once you open update and security, go to Windows Security. On Windows Security, open Windows Security. Click on open Windows Security. And once that's open, let's expand the bar. Now you click on Virus and Threat Protection. Now you scroll down to Manage Settings. This is where you disable real-time protection. Okay, now that you have disabled real-time protection, now we click on the installation to start. Now this is the keygen. You click on the keygen, you select the version of the Corel you are using. So there are so many products here you can use the keygen to activate. But first you need to disable your Windows security or your antivirus, otherwise it's going to delete this keygen. So the purpose of this keygen is to activate the software, and most antivirus or Windows security software is seeing it as a potential or as a malicious software. So that is why we have to disable it before doing any other thing. So we select the one we are using, which is a Corel S7, Corel Graphics S7. Yeah, S7. So we generate the serial number. So this is the serial number that we'll be using to activate this. So now our settings, our installation is ready. So now we started the installation. It's going to take some few minutes. You click on accept, you click on next. Now you click on I do not have a serial number. You click on I do not have a serial number. If you click on I have a serial number, you have to input that serial number, but I usually love choosing this I do not have a serial number. It's easier. Now you proceed, you select vertical installation. It's going to take a few minutes to complete. So our installation is completed. We click on finish. Now we launch our product. We launch our Corel. Alright, so now that we launch our Corel, you click on continue. Now you are going to see these three options here. You're going to see these three options here. Number one is to connect online and register now. Number two is to register now using web browser. Number three is to register later. Note that before installing this Corel, you have to disable your internet connection. We don't need internet connection. So number two, register now using web browser. If you haven't disabled it, you have to disable it now before activating it. So number three is register later. So this is the one we are choosing, register later, because we want to register this product later. So okay, this is not a Corel, so we want to open Corel, but no problem. You can use any of the products. So now let's look for Corel S7. Okay, yeah. So this is Corel S7. We open Corel S7. So we click on continue. It's saying so now we choose a register letter. Now we make sure we select the product and generate a serial number. You copy the serial number, click on register letter, or I click on register now using a web browser. Now it's going to show you this confirmation code. Paste your serial number there, click on continue. Now you are going to launch your CorelDRAW. Click on continue again. So your CorelDRAW is going to open finally. Now that you open your CorelDRAW, if you look at the top right, you see that you are just using the evaluation version, which means that it has not been activated yet. So once you close, it's going to display this page. Now you click on already purchased, click on enter serial number. Now enter your serial number and select offline installation. Let's paste the serial number we copied, and then we select offline installation. Now these are the product key. Now you type this key manually using the dash. Now we have LGROS GN35. Okay, we have a TT5H and the 88J8377W. So once you're done, you click on generate activation code. Don't click on generate serial number, otherwise you have to repeat the process over again. Click on generate activation code. Now let's generate the activation code. So we have generated the activation code. All you have to do is to copy this activation code and paste it right there and click on continue. Now it's going to show an error. Ignore this error, invalid serial number. Just click OK and ignore. Now click close to close it. You can see thank you, product is now purchased. Now your CorelDRAW will now open. Now close this one also. Close it. Thank you. Now once we close it, your CorelDRAW is going to open and you have successfully activated your CorelDRAW. Now you can no longer see the evaluation version anymore because it has been activated. So you can now continue to enjoy and use your CorelDRAW, and then make sure you reactivate your antivirus or Windows Defender. Please try and subscribe and share this video. Thank you and God bless you. Welcome.